The AXIO delivery address shipping warehouse feature offers optimal flexibility in order fulfillment. There are 3 different ways to fulfill orders. If a specified warehouse lacks sufficient stock to fulfill an order, the system can allocate quantities from designated alternate warehouses based on the customer's location. The primary shipping warehouse by customer option allows you to set a default shipping warehouse for each customer. This designated warehouse will automatically populate when creating sales orders. The second option, delivery address shipping warehouse by zip code, enables you to assign default warehouses based on their proximity to a specific zip code. If the customer's default warehouse lacks sufficient stock to fulfill an order, the system can designate the delivery address shipping warehouse by zip code as an alternate fulfillment location. In this example, Warehouse 28 has been assigned to zip code 19707, as it is the nearest warehouse to that location. The third option is the delivery address shipping warehouse ship-to override. This option lets you set up alternate warehouses based on a combination of the customer, zip code, and optionally the location ID inside the warehouse. In this example, Warehouse 13 was designated as the alternate warehouse for customer US 001 and zip code 19707. If the customer had additional locations, alternate warehouses could be assigned based on the respective zip codes of those locations. The assign primary shipping warehouse to delivery addresses batch process runs in the background to facilitate order fulfillment from appropriately stocked warehouses when the default warehouse lacks sufficient inventory. After entering new shipping default information, this process is run to update the customer's shipping information. In this example, the customer account has warehouse 11 set as the default shipping address. However, when the sales order is created, there is not enough quantity available in warehouse 11 to fulfill the order. Once the batch process is run, the warehouse on the sales order will default to 24, which is set up as an alternate warehouse. Warehouse 24 is now defaulted in as the shipping warehouse. To enable this feature, navigate to AXIO Parameters, Warehouse Management, and set the option for Enable Primary Shipping Address to True. Want to see how AXIO can speed up the implementation process and accelerate your return on investment? Speak with one of our experts at Velosio.